The white one came bent, which is the one I bought. It's nothing like what you would expect. It is tiny, absolute tiny. And here's the metal ball part compared to this other one that I got for cheaper. So this is the one I already had. This is the one I just got. It came bent. Like, what is that? Like, it came bent and so much smaller than you'd expect. So just be careful. So many better options.
It's pretty nice. I will admit, it goes pretty far. I do see it getting a little bit dirty already after like 3 months, and I've been trying. But hey, thanks, bye.
Right now I've added this cord to my setup, and I would just like to say it looks great along with my keyboard, microphone, and mouse. I think it's a great addition to the setup and it looks very good.